Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to clear your search history on a TikTok application. So sometimes we were looking for something that really shameful, or we are too shy to know by someone else's, so we can clear the history to stay private and no one knows what just we watch. So the first thing you have to do to clear your search history is jump into your profile section, and in this profile section you just need to click these three straight lines over here, and after that you just need to go click settings and privacy. And in this settings and privacy you just need to focus on the content and display, and now you just need to jump into the activity center. In this activity center there will be several options that you can visit. One of them is search history, so you just need to go click this part, and now you can select the history. And after that you can take a look on this bottom part, select all search history. You just need to click it and go click delete all, and now you just need to confirm that you want to delete this search history. And here you go. So now you already clear up the search history on your TikTok, and hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.